Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to automatically generate widgets from JSON using Flutter builders. Let us get started. First, in povspec.yaml, add builder section, and in there add JSON widget as the dependency. Run flutter pop get. Now let us create a JSON file. Let's name it example.json, and here we create a specification for our widget. So name of the widget is container, okay, and we provide params. So what params does container take? For now, let's just add child, and child should again be another widget whose name is text, and params for text widget is zero. So first parameter is the text we are going to print. Okay, so this is our JSON file. Now in our main.dart, what we need to do is import our JSON file. So here we do not import as example.json, rather we import as example.dart, because when it is generated, the generated file will be .dart file. So let's name as example. Okay, and in our home page, instead of this container, what we can use is example.generated widget. Okay, so let me exit this and rebuild again, because we have added the builder dependency. We need to build it again for the first time. Okay, now the project is run. You can see our JSON widget that we have specified in the example.json. And in the debug console, you should see something like starting build daemon. So if you see this starting build daemon, then you are on the right track. So let us now try changing things, and it should work with hot reload. So let's now provide another parameter, color, and as color is not a string, rather it's a object, we can specify that with hash. So color 0xFF red. So let me apply a red color right now. Okay, and if I do hot restart, so we can see that. Let's try padding as inserts.all 0. Okay, padding. See, now let's try with text style, text style, color 0xFF FF. So white color, let's give white color, and font weight, let's try this. See, so white color and bold. So this is how we can use JSON file to generate widgets. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial.